Hi, I'm Mr. Slim, the Chief Technician at the Training Center. Today, I'm going to show you how to install a drain pump. This is an optional part required for the installation of air conditioner in limited space, in which the drain pipe is difficult to install. Technicians will need to order this additional part as an option. The drain pump is commonly used for flush out the condensate water from air conditioner. In case the installation of a drain pipe is not possible from the back of the unit due to limitations. For example, when the area at the back of the unit is a glass window, or customers are forbidden from cutting through the wall for the drain pipe. Therefore necessary to install the drain pump to circumvent these issues. The drain pump will raise the drain level up and allow the condensate water to flow naturally down along the decline. The pumping height of this optional drain pump has been increased up to 600 millimeters, enabling greater flexibility when determining unit location during installation work. The drain pump should be installed before installing the refrigerant piping by installing it at the drain pipe outlet on the right side of the indoor unit. Installation procedure. Firstly, install the drain pump attachment at the position of the drain pipe and fix it with screws. Then, insert the drain pump into the attachment and fix it with screws. Next, remove the electrical box cover. Connect the drain pump connector to the CNP and the float switch connector to the CN4F and reassemble it back to its original state. Then, install the drain pipe at a height not exceeding 600 millimeters by measuring from the top of the unit. After that, insulate the drain pipe to prevent dewdrops. Test the drain pump operation by operating the air conditioner for around 10 minutes and check for the water flowing from the drain pipe. If water is flowing, that means the installation is complete and it is working properly. Technical information of this air conditioner can be downloaded from the website or contact the Mitsubishi Electric Service Center for more information. Thank you for your interest and please subscribe to the YouTube channel, The Cooling Master.